Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Jeep Wrangler, 1997 to 2006? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 1997 to 2006 Jeep Wrangler manages electrical protection for interior systems such as power windows, door locks, dome lights, and the audio system. It uses standard blade-type fuses and includes clearly labeled circuits for easy identification. The fuse layout and amperage ratings are listed in the owner's manual for reference. This box ensures safe and reliable operation of various cabin electronics. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 1997 and 1998 Jeep Wrangler protects essential systems like the ignition, fuel pump, and cooling fan. It contains blade-type fuses and relays for high-current circuits. Labels aid in identifying fuse functions easily. The engine compartment fuse box in the 1999 Jeep Wrangler safeguards critical systems, such as the fuel injection, ignition, and cooling fan. It includes blade-type fuses and relays designed for high-current circuits. Fuse labels help with quick identification and maintenance. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2000 to 2006 Jeep Wrangler manages power distribution for key systems like the PCM, fuel pump, ABS, and cooling fan. It uses blade-type fuses and micro-relays to protect high-current circuits. Each fuse and relay is clearly labeled for easy identification. This box plays a vital role in maintaining engine and system reliability. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement. while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.